What's up, my people? Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Oh my god, you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. We are at 500 subscribers in a span of 2 weeks. Ha. You're amazing. You make my life feel like I have family. Oh my god, thank you so much for showing me that love. You guys are liking, you're commenting. What else can I ask for? If you're seeing this video for the first time, please don't hesitate to join this family. Because we're not going to disappoint you. We are here to deliver and grow, and the sky is our limit. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell down there so that when I upload any video, you are among the top viewers. You are among the top. So on today's video, I'm doing a very interesting video. I am doing a cook video, as you have seen on the description. I'm doing a cook video. I'm going to prepare one of the most delicious African traditional vegetable. But in my case, I'm going to prepare the dried one, because getting the fresh one in diaspora is so hard. You just have to survive with the dried ones if you're having cravings like me. Let me show you what I mean by African dried vegetable. So I'm going to cook. I don't know if you can see here. Wait, I should get out of focus. I'm going to cook this. It's called saga in African language, or in Swahili it's called saga. In English it's called spider plant. Oh my god, spider plant. Yes, it's called spider plant, and in my native local dialect it's called deck. Oh my god, I love this vegetable. It's my favorite. Anywho, it's my favorite vegetable, and I'm gonna show you how to prepare the dried one. If you are living in diaspora and you want to buy such vegetables, I'll leave the link where you can buy these things, these vegetables. Any African product you need, they have them. Without any further ado, let's get to the kitchen. Yes, so these are all the things I'm gonna use to prepare the dried vegetable. This is the vegetable I'm talking about, the spider plant, saga deck. You've seen the picture. Most of you are familiar with it. And this is how it looks when it is dried. This is the dried one. And then we're going to use blitva, the Swiss chard, what most of you or most of my country people called spinach. Oh my god, and this is how the Swiss chard looks. How is it called? The frozen one. And then my favorite, Royco cube, African. It's also an African spice. And then I'm going to use the sunflower oil, tomatoes, and onions. The first thing you need to do is you need to rehydrate your vegetable in boiling water for like 10 or 15 minutes, depending on what you want to. I mean, how you want your vegetable to be. There are some people who like it more soft, and there's some people who don't like it too soft. So it depends with your choice. Which kind of embarrassment is that? How did this oil just decide to embarrass me in front of the camera? Anyway, our vegetable is done. We are frying the onions until it turns golden brown, and then we put in tomatoes and continue the process. You leave it for some time until the onion turns golden brown, and then you put some. You put the capsicum. Is it called capsicum or the green pepper? The green pepper, and then add your tomatoes. I need to be careful so that I don't drop all my tomatoes down. Stir it, cover, and let it simmer. Is it simmer? Yeah, let it simmer. Let it simmer. Cover. Voila! Just look at the paste, and then add in your vegetable and wait for it to cook. Oops, and then we go in with our milk. We add our milk. I mean, this is the most important part. You put in the cream. It makes the vegetables so delicious. Look at the final product. Just look. I wish I would tell you how this thing tastes. Wow. So my vegetable is already cooked. I'm going to eat the vegetable with ugali. Ugali is also an African, a Kenyan meal. So I'm going to eat it with ugali. I'm just in the process of boiling water, and I'm going to use this maize flour. This is the only maize flour I can find here. It's a yellow corn, maize flour from yellow corn. I'm going to cook my ugali, and then I'll get back to you once I'm done cooking and I've already put my food on the plate so that you can see the final product. So keep it locked, don't go away. My water is boiling. Oh my god. Cooking a very big guy. Hey, so my food is ready. Oh my god, look at that ugali. So my food is ready. I'm going to eat. I don't know if I should, or maybe let me taste it. So nice. So nice. So sweet. I love it. Well, it's so nice. It's so delicious. So I need some privacy so that I can finish eating. And please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Let's see each other on the next video. Bye.